Olivia, don't spill it.
I don't do that. Can I do it again?
No.
Look up and smile. What do you think of it? Is it neat? You feel like a crazy bird lady? Look up and smile.
You had your turn. Careful, Olivia. For that next one, I can bring it along.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey! Oh! Oh! What's this thing's on me? Oh,
Yeah,
how do you get it off? I don't like them on me.
I don't like it either.
It's doing something to my hair.
Yeah, it's biting your hair thing.
Oh my God, I don't like this.
Okay, let's walk this way. It'll come off you.
It squawked in my ear.
Yeah,
Ew!
Mommy, I got it.
Okay,
Did
come on,
poop
girls.
on me? They pooped on me once.
No, it didn't poop on you.